Good morning, all. Today I am going to show you one of my asymmetrical shawl that I completed 3 or 4 years ago. First, just see how it is. It's not a straight line, so I started from here. You can see with a single stitch. Then on both sides I increased to make it 3. And as you can see the pattern, the stitch slowly increased only on this side. And you see this pattern where we reduce every 2 stitches into 1 and then we increase 1. So that makes a hole like that. So I started like this. So when I completed all, later I knitted this extra part to make a ruffle kind of design. So this is later I added. So when I started knitting, it was not there. So you can imagine it was like this only, and only this part was. So I like to experiment. So you can see this is one design and this is another design. This is another design, and this much is one single color yarn. Then this is another which is green plus little bit beige mix color, this one, and this is separate. So this is not a multicolor single yarn. I have used multiple yarn. So this is, if you can see here, this is a little lighter than this one. So this is a different yarn, this is different yarn, this is a different yarn. So here 1, 2, 3 color of yarn. And then I thought of putting this kind of design where you can see here after these 3 rows. So here I have slowly increased. First here maybe 5 stitches, then I increased it into maybe 9 stitches, then few more maybe 13 stitches, then 15 stitches, like that. So in that way I will have the triangular shape of the lines. So you can see here the there are maybe 5 or 6 lines, but here only 1. So I just kept experimenting, and when I did only this much, then I did not want to continue all the way like that. But when I was knitting this, I thought I will make that design, and then I changed my mind and I wanted to add this design. So that's how. So you will find and again I have followed few YouTubers, and it's not particularly a copy of a particular one person's design. So I just got some idea from them, and then I mixed on my own. And when I started, I did not know how I will end up with the patterns, but I just kept doing, changing whatever I liked. That's why I say I enjoyed it while knitting. Now I will show you from the front how it looks. So you see this is a pattern, then this one, then you can see this one. So one triangle like this one, I started like this, and then this is a different design. Here this is a different design, then you see this is a different design. So you can see I am knitting from that side, coming like this, and it is becoming wider, wider, wider. So by the time I reached here, the stitches were this long, and it is very difficult when I reach here. The needles were filled with the stitches a lot, and it's very hard to knit in those needles. So then I stopped, and at the end I added these. So this is a multicolor thread, this one. That's why I did not change the thread. The color changes automatically up to here. I mean, the margin of this, it is a single multicolored yarn, but this one, this is a single color, this one, and this is a single color. That's why you can see. So this is how it is. So it looks like triangular, but it is not exactly triangular. At the end you can see it is so spiral. So now I can just to show you, I am bringing this here. So in that way, that we keep near the neck, so it fits very well with the body. This is the neck portion. You can just make round and round the both end around the neck, and it will fall on the back. So I find this kind of asymmetrical shawl very pretty and very comfortable to use it, and it shows a very pretty angles when you wear. These ruffles looks very pretty, but it takes long time to knit, because as you see, this is a lot, see, lot of stitches. So but it is very interesting while knitting, when you change the colors. It is very exciting when you knit, because in every few rows you see new pattern. While knitting you cannot know how it will reflect, but at the end only you can see, and it's very entertaining. I like the color combination. Thank you for watching.